Over 500 million individuals were enrolled in online language learning worldwide, with annual revenue of $28 billion in 2024. With annual growth rate of 18.1%, want to create your own AI-powered Duolingo-like platform and earn like never before? Presenting. Let me ask you something most people never think about. If you could start a real online business today, a business that doesn't need products, doesn't need content, doesn't need teaching, doesn't even need you to be there, would you actually go for it? Because if you're like most people, you've probably already tried. Maybe you've bought courses, maybe you've dabbled in drop shipping, print on demand, affiliate programs. And every single time you hit a wall, it was either too technical, too expensive, too complicated, or just flat out didn't work. And the worst part? You started believing it was you. That maybe you're just not cut out for this. Maybe online business just isn't real. But here's the truth. The problem wasn't you, it was the type of business you were sold. See, most people are taught to chase trends, not industries. But the smartest people, they quietly move into spaces where demand is permanent, products don't expire, and buyers already exist before the business is even launched. And that's exactly where this comes in, because right now there's one industry that's exploding. It's recession-proof, it's global, it's evergreen, and it's already worth over $60 billion. I'm talking about the language learning market. From kids to adults, students to professionals, travelers to immigrants, everyone wants to speak another language. It's not a maybe, it's a need. And here's the thing, most of them aren't looking for courses. They're not looking for grammar charts. They're not trying to memorize flashcards. They want to speak, they want to practice. They want to become fluent, naturally, confidently, and fast. And now, for the first time ever, you can give them exactly that. Without teaching, without talking, without speaking a second language, and without doing any of the work yourself. Hey, my name is VJ, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you Conversely AI. This isn't another app you use. This is a business you own. With just a few clicks, you can launch your own fully automated Duolingo-style language coaching platform powered by an AI avatar that speaks, thinks, and responds fluently in over 99 languages. You don't need to build anything. You don't need to record anything. You don't need to manage anything. Conversely, handles it all. It gives you a hosted, branded landing page that looks like it was built by a $10,000 agency. An AI coach that delivers real-time, two-way conversation training 24/7. Built-in lead capture tools that grow your email list while you sleep. And direct payment integration so that every time someone signs up, the money goes straight into your account. No fees, no commissions, no monthly subscriptions. You set your price, you keep 100%. You own it all. This isn't a side hustle. It's not some little make money online gimmick. This is a real, working business, handed to you fully built and running on a machine that doesn't get tired, doesn't call in sick, and doesn't charge by the hour. And if you're wondering, yeah, but is this really for me? Here's the answer. If you've ever wanted a simple business you can be proud of, one that works, makes sense, and actually serves people, this is it. You don't need skills. You don't need time. You don't need experience. You just need to click the button below and activate it. And to make it risk-free, you're covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can log in, set it up, launch your first language program, and see it live. And if it doesn't blow you away, if it doesn't feel like the most automated, most exciting business you've ever touched, you get your money back instantly. No questions, no hassle, no fine print, but don't wait. Access is limited. This is a first-to-market opportunity. And once it's full, it's gone. Or it's moving to a high-ticket monthly model. So do it now. Click the button below. Launch your platform. Own the future of language learning. You've tried a lot of things. This is the one that finally makes sense. Let's make it real.